Now I'm going to show how good these systems are with VAT. We'll raise a bill in Xero, in ClearBooks, and in FreshBook. So let's look at Xero bill. I'll select a supplier to the accountants. Let's say services, quantity 1, say worth £200. So here's an important bit. So when it comes to tax rate VAT, it gives us a number of options, which is very good. It didn't used to have such a long list, but in last year or so, they have developed that. So you've got 20% VAT, 5% in EC acquisitions, exempt expenses, also has reverse charge expense, and it can treat all that. So you will have to select that when raising a bill. So it gives us almost all the options that we need to have. Now let's look at ClearBooks. Here's an interesting one. ClearBooks is also giving all the options, and it was always giving that. But the way they do it is slightly different, and I think in a way it's much easier. So here you can tell ClearBooks where you got the goods and services from. So goods and services from UK or EU supplier, services from EU suppliers, goods from outside EU, goods from suppliers outside EU, or out of scope. And then you also have an option here to select the rate. So it's doing the same thing, but it's making it a little easier compared to Xero. In Xero, you need to know what treatment you have to select, whereas here you just need to know where you got your goods or services from, and you just treat that. So both systems tackle VAT very well, but a system like FreshBooks, which is not built in UK and not catering for UK taxes, won't be able to do that. So I'll show you as an example. Let's say it's £200, vendor is this, and let's say it's advertising. The only option it gives us is you can select taxes here, and then you will have to create rates yourself for the system, and then you add it. So it's not really that user friendly. You really need to know a lot to be able to use FreshBook properly.